Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is an exciting video because I am unboxing another set of perfumes from Dossier. So let's go ahead and get started. If you guys don't know, I am an ambassador for Dossier, and basically all that means is that I'm going to be showcasing a couple of perfumes for you guys each month, and just telling you more about the company and how to get Dossier perfume. So Dossier is a perfume company where they try to create designer inspired perfume. So they take like the scent profile of a well-known brand of perfume, let's say Chanel, Tom Ford, all of those hard to afford perfumes, and they create their own signature scent based on those designer perfumes. So the catch is they make high quality perfumes for a fraction of the price. So they take out the advertising and the fancy packaging out of these designer perfumes, and you just get good quality designer perfumes. Their perfumes are vegan, 100% cruelty free, and they are also clean perfume, which means they are actually cleaner than the clean brands at Sephora. So they really have strict standards of quality. So I love that about it. This month I was able to select 2 more perfumes of my choice, and we're gonna go ahead and talk about it and see if I actually like the scent or not. So I got 2 Dossier perfumes, guys, this month, and I actually can't remember what I chose. Love that they come in the box. When you purchase a Dossier perfume, you'll get a similar box like this, and you get a 50 ml perfume of your choice. And normally a 50 ml perfume would cost around $29 on average on the Dossier website. So how it works is that you get a designer inspired perfume, you get the 50 ml bottle, and you also get a sample size like this one, which allows you to try the perfume without you opening the big bottle. So if you like the scent, you can go ahead and keep the bottle. But here's the thing, if you don't like the scent, you can keep this sample size spray and return the whole bottle, and you can exchange it for another perfume of your choice. So what a good deal, because basically that means it's no risk guarantee, right? Because if you don't like the scent, you can return it and get another one. In the box you get the card, and here's the card right there, and the scent that I got is called Floral Rose, and this is inspired by the Lavender perfume. I think last month I got this. This sounds familiar. Let's see. The top notes are rose, centifolia, and cumin. That's interesting. The middle notes are vetiver, incense, and cedar woods. And base notes are musk, cistus, and amber. Not citrus, cistus. Comment down below if you know what that word means. I'm gonna just go ahead and try the scent and see what it is. This sounds strangely familiar. I wonder if I ended up selecting something that I already tried in the past. Ooh! This has a very strong floral and fruity scent. It's kind of like a pear scent in my opinion. You know what I love about Dossier? Their scents last forever. Like, they last a long time. I've compared it with other designer perfumes that I've had. I'll link one of the videos where I compared my Gucci perfume with a Gucci inspired perfume. And I noticed that the Gucci inspired perfume by Dossier lasted way longer than the original designer brand. Wow, it has a strong fruity scent. I want to say like an apple or pear scent, like in lotions. Oh my gosh, I'm loving this. It smells so refreshing. I love it. So this one has an 18% concentration, which means that's kind of like the lasting power of a perfume. 18 to 22% are pretty high. Some are range from like 12 to 15. I wonder how much a Lavender perfume costs, right? Comment down below if you use Lavender, because that's a brand that I'm not very familiar with, but it smells amazing. At least the one from Dossier. Okay, so the other one that I got is inspired by YSL Libre. Oh my gosh, I wish I wasn't in the car because I have YSL Libre from my scent box perfume. And I will make sure to update you guys later in this video to let you know. Once I get home, I'm going to smell that YSL Libre and compare it with this one from Dossier and see if they actually smell the same and which one lasts longer. So stay tuned at the end of this video. Dossier calls this their floral lavender perfume. The top notes are mandarin, neroli, blackcurrant. Middle notes are jasmine, lavender, orange blossom, and base notes are vanilla, amber, and musk. It has a very fruity, citrusy scent. And if I remember YSL Libre correctly, I think it does have a very fresh citrus scent as well. So in this box, I don't see any sample perfume, so you don't always get it consistently in the box, but that's okay because you can still open and smell the bottle, the actual bottle scent, and if you don't like it, just return it. So risk-free guarantee, like I said, floral and lavender. It sounds like a perfume that I would definitely like, so let's see. Did I tell you guys? Ooh, I already got a hint of that. Did I tell you guys that the cap is magnetized? I love it. I love the sleek bottle design. In case you guys haven't seen that. It's such a cute bottle to just put on your vanity table, and look how big it is. Look how much perfume you're getting. This specific perfume is 15% concentration. I'm going to spray it on my other hand. Okay. I gotta tell you, I am starting to have quite a collection of the Dossier perfume, and I think at the end of this year, when my contract is over with them, I would definitely want to rank kind of my most favorite Dossier perfume. Comment down below if you'd like that kind of video. Let me know in case you're wondering, like, I don't know which one to try first. Oh, I love this too. Oh my gosh, did I just show you my wrist? These are the times when I wish I could have smell-o-vision, right? I mean, that's the only way. That's the only way I can convince you that this smells good. Oh, there's a slight, very slight musky scent. This one smelled really good in the beginning, but it kind of turned on me. I don't know, it didn't settle well. It's not settling well on my skin. Let me give this one a moment. Initially, I was thinking the Labo perfume inspired was gonna be my favorite, but I think I'm leaning towards this one now. This one has a scent that lingers that I don't like. Oh my gosh, do I dare say it, guys? It smells like it smells like BO. I think it's just me. It's probably just not working well with my body chemistry. Oh my gosh, it smelled so good initially. Like so good, so fresh. Kind of like the apple pear lotion from Victoria's Secret or from Bath and Body Works. Similar to that. And then it turned on me. I think between the two, the YSL Libre is the winner. I definitely like this more. This one definitely smells more floral and fresh, and it stayed that way on my body. It didn't really change or anything. So yeah, so this one is a no-go for me, but that doesn't mean it's not going to be good for you, right? Everybody has a different body chemistry, and it just depends. Not every perfume is going to be your cup of tea, right? So that is it, guys. That is my unboxing of the Dossier perfume. If you are interested in purchasing a Dossier perfume, I'll leave a link down below in the description box, and that will save you at least 10% of your first order with Dossier. So if you want to try a perfume that is inspired by a designer perfume, maybe budget is tight and you are out of your most favorite perfume, definitely give Dossier a try. By the way, I have a current giveaway going on right now, a Fabfitfun mystery box giveaway. So definitely enter. It's a collaboration giveaway with my girls, Jackie Naturals and Vanessa from Vanessa Beauty. Definitely check their videos out. Check our videos out in order to find out how to enter in this giveaway. But yeah, with that said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I post videos once a week on skincare and beauty reviews, as well as some unboxings here and there. So definitely check it out. Check out my upcoming Advent box unboxings. I am so excited to unbox them for you. So stick around, stay tuned, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll definitely see you back in my corner soon. Bye!